Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are talking about the best and worst of my empties and expired products that I've accumulated over the last few months. There's not a million things. I mean, it takes a while to go through certain things, especially if you're using them a lot, so we're just gonna get right into it. Alright, so the first thing is a hair product. This is by AG Haircare, and this is the Balance Apple Cider Vinegar Sulfate-Free Shampoo. I'm a sucker for any hair product that says apple cider vinegar on it. Apple cider vinegar is apple cider vinegar is a very good antioxidant. It's great if you drink it diluted with water. Health-wise, it's really good. It's good for your immune system, and it's a detox for your hair. So anything that says apple cider vinegar for your hair, I'm all about. And while this was a really nice shampoo, even for me, I'm a professional hairstylist, so I get a lot of professional products half off. It was still even a little pricey for me to get it, even with my discount, so I probably won't buy it again. It was nice, but not worth the price, in my opinion. Alright, the next is a Radiance Mask by Moly. It's the I'm Real Tomato Sheet Mask. You know what, I'm not a big sheet mask fan. I never have put on a sheet mask and thought, wow, like my skin looks amazing. It feels amazing. It always feels good when you take it off because you've left something on your skin to marinate for 20 minutes. So obviously it's going to feel a certain way, but that feeling doesn't last. At least in my experience, it doesn't last. But I mean, this was nice. You know, my skin looked and felt fine afterwards. Bleh. Alright, the next product is by Skin Food. This is a Korean brand. This is the Peach Sake Pore Serum. This was really nice, and it smells actually really good. It doesn't smell like peach, not really that I can tell, but it's kind of like a mattifying serum, which doesn't really benefit me. This is probably great if you have oily skin. It's part of your skincare routine. You can use it even as a primer before makeup. I won't get into this too much. This is by Cosas. This is like my 10th empty of their Acne Pimple Master Patch envelope. There's 24 patches per envelope. It's like $5 or $6 on Amazon. And if you've never heard me talk about them, you basically put them on your pimples overnight and they like decrease in size, redness, all that stuff. And it keeps you from touching them because I'm like a dick when it comes to like touching my pimples because I want to pop them. They're fantastic. All right, the next is the Skin River Upper by Bare Minerals. This is one of my favorite primers. Basically, it helps if you have any breakouts or anything. It kind of helps even out and balance. There's salicylic acid in it, botanical extracts. It's just really nice. It's smoothing. I definitely recommend it, but I can't find it anymore. I don't know if they discontinued it or they changed the name, but I have to look into it because I love this stuff and I'm so pissed that I can't find it. All right, the next is by Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Cushion Foundation with SPF 15. I have the color 109A Neutral Beige, light, medium, cool. This was fine, but in my opinion, it oxidized way too fast. Like, I think I had this for, it says it's good for, it doesn't say. Oh, it says it expires 2019. I call bullshit. This expired like in 4 months after I had it. Nope, won't be repurchasing that. All right, the next is this is probably one of the first like face soaps I think I've ever like finished. This is by Neogem, and they have some of Neogem products at Sephora. This is the Real Fresh Cleansing Stick with green tea. It's a soothing bio cleanser. I loved this. I thought this was such a cool idea. It's very easy to use. Just your soap's in here, you twist up, twist down. I thought it was really nice. Green tea is great for your skin. I would definitely repurchase this again. Oh God, this was like the saddest day for me. The same thing with this though. This is supposed to be good for a year. And I definitely didn't get this a year ago, and it oxidized like a few months ago. I think it was like probably going on 9 months maybe that I had it, but this is one of my all-time favorite high-end foundations. If you've been debating whether to get this, I should tell you what it is. It's the Dior Forever Perfect Makeup Everlasting Wear with sunscreen. My color is 20. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's seamless on your face. Jaclyn Hill mentioned this and it intrigued me to buy it. I was not let down. This was worth the price. All right, this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover Camouflage Makeup for Face and Body. This was like my first double wear purchase from Estee Lauder. People swear by this like line. It was just way too heavy. I'm not a full coverage like kind of person. I just didn't love it. It was just too much for me. But if you love that full coverage, like you don't mind wearing a mask, go for it all the way. All right, the last thing, no, I have 2 more things. This is from Pixi. This is their Skin Treats Glow Tonic. It's a 5% glycolic acid toner. I really did like this, but I didn't see what the big deal was about. I I didn't see what the huge deal was. Like, this is like a cult classic, like people swear by this. And again, it was nice, and like my skin did feel smooth and kind of, you know, it felt exfoliated, it felt refreshing. I didn't feel that it made me glowy or anything like that. I mean, it was nice, but I mean, this is like stupid expensive. Like, even for this little one, it's a little too rich for my blood, so I probably wouldn't repurchase this again. All right, and the last thing is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is the color, this is light 20. I love this, but again, starts off like this, perfect creamy, and in a minute or two, this is going to turn, like it's already starting. It's turning orange. It's almost like the warmth of my skin is making it turn orange. This one, it could have been time to say goodbye to it, but I just didn't feel like I had it for that long. But I mean, you can't even see it anymore. It's like totally oxidized to like a creamy orange color. But I would definitely repurchase it again. It was kind of drying for my eyes though, but since I've actually used this the last time, I've started a different kind of eye priming routine, so I might actually like it more. So I probably will repurchase it again to give it another try. But the color was actually perfect. It's, again, light 20. Beautiful. It's like a nice natural, neutral kind of color. Definitely high coverage. Definitely worth the $5 or $6. My mom bought me a Vitamix a few days ago, and I'm like dying over it. If you have a Vitamix, leave me a comment below and give me some like good smoothie recipes, or like leave links to some, or let me know where to find them, because I'm like obsessed with this thing. Amazing. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.